The designer I decided to talk about was Margot Chase. Margot Chase lived from 1958 to 2017. She made a name for herself by creating exemplary typography for some of the biggest music stars like Madonna, Prince, and Cher about 30 years ago. Chase gained nearly every major honor in the field of design. Because of her film and television work for Dracula and Buffy the Vampire Slayer, she earned the nickname the Queen of the Goth. The logotype that Margot Chase designed for Dracula has an eerie design that fits perfectly with the whole concept of Dracula. In 2000, Chase's growing firm rebranded as the Chase Design Group and began extending beyond entertainment into corporate branding and consumer packaging. They designed award-winning packages for Mattel, Nestle, PepsiCo, and others. Margot was one of the only two designers to make top 10 in both Most Influential Graphic Designers of the Era and Most Influential Graphic Designers Today. While the Chase Design Group was also voted in the top 10 most influential design firms of the era. The Chase Design Group worked with the 7-Up design team at PepsiCo to create a fantastical play on the unique lemon flavor. The team created illustrations such as making a grill, grill, sunglasses, an umbrella, and other unique things out of the lemon and lime. They use the idea that 7-Up is both lemon and lime flavor to show half of each when creating things, like side grill or the design on the surfboard. Chase brought Calafina, the mythical goddess of California abundance, to life with this graceful and iconic package shape. The smooth curves of the bottle and the elegant design of the whole thing really does give the appearance of a beautiful goddess, and the white color even makes it look pure and milky. For Nestle's Coffee Mate, Chase made the beloved characters and details of the Star Wars story. She really brings the key Star Wars heroes and villains to life on the bottles with the amazing detail that she puts. The Chase Design Group redesigned Mike's Hot Honey brand, and they're quoted as saying, because of Mike's pizzeria roots and old soul character, they developed a vintage-inspired, typographically driven design that champions the unique heat in every bottle. Oh goodness. You can really see how the logo is really inspired by retro designs. Chase also helped redesign the Better Together brand. Chase helped to create consistency and visual impacts on shelf balancing classic bakery cues with contemporary style. Another company that the Chase Design Group designed for is Mr. Clean. While redesigning for Mr. Clean, Chase went with a focused, simplified package for Mr. Clean in his popular sub-brand. She also created the logotype to reflect the strength and confidence in masculinity. The Chase Design Group created their own notebooks covered in doodles, all made by the employees. Margot Chase is quoted as saying, "Doodling is like creative meditation. It opens my mind up to ideas that don't occur to me normally." I think it's kind of neat that they want to help inspire other artists to get their ideas out and to create something from it. Margot Chase also redesigned the famous children's character Peter Rabbit. While playing with colors and layering textures, the Chase Design Group developed graphics that are relevant to today's new parents without diminishing Peter Rabbit's classic British charm. From her early work from the WB network to design for current shows on the CW, Chase has worked to understand the plot lines, characters, and art direction in each property unique. Sorry. The Chase Design Group captures the essence of each series in typography, color palette, and supporting graphic elements. Some designs Margot Chase and her team have created for the CW include designs for Buffy the Vampire Slayer, as we see here, with the blood almost coming to a point like a stake, and others including The Rain, The Secret Circle, and this one here, The Vampire Diaries. This one is kind of neat, I think, because the V on vampire is meant to look almost like a vampire fang with blood dripping from it. Margot Chase and her team have created some really great things.